What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm sitting in my 2021 Powerstroke, and I wanted to show you guys this little hack that you might know, you might not know. Either way, I'm not sure. It might be in the manual also, but I've never looked in there, so couldn't tell you. So let's check this out. All right, so the hack I'm talking about is if you have a 1721 Powerstroke with the factory Upfitter switches. Okay, so say you need to power something and the truck is off. You don't want to turn your truck on and run the truck. So I'm going to show you guys how. You'll notice, okay, my truck is currently off, not on. So obviously, none of them turn on. I'm going to show you guys how you can run this one 5 and 6 always on, even with the truck off. So let's check that out. All right, so right here in front of the truck. So let's go ahead, pop the hood. So with this hack too, one thing to note, on the 17 to 19s, I believe, the Upfitter switch fuse panel used to be right here on the driver's side. Now, if you have a, I believe it's a 20 to 21, they switched it to right here. It's no longer on that side. Now it's on the passenger side. So what you're gonna do, little pliers here. So what you're gonna do, get this guy off. So you see here, you're gonna take this, it'll focus. So you take this little 5-amp fuse out. Okay, now take this here and you slide it to the right this way. Then you take your fuse you pop your fuse back in there, and then let's go check it out. All right, so now truck is still off, it's not on. So now you'll see, check it out, that we switched that fuse spot. So now see 2, 3, and 4 do not turn on, but watch, 5 and 6 now turn on, and you can see truck is off. So there you go. Neat little hack for you guys if you want to run something on these two Upfitter switches with the truck off. So yeah, turn those back off. Sweet. All right, guys, so there you go. Cool little tip or hack or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, you can run them 2 Upfitter switches with the truck off. I thought it was pretty cool. Help somebody out, you know, show you how to actually do it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Go check out my other videos. I got some on the intake. I got one on the sticker ID badged on the back. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and hopefully start having more videos coming out. So yeah, see you guys later.